Hi, I'm Sambashini, and today I'm going to discuss basics of psychology. Psychology is the scientific study of the human mind and behavior. It helps us understand how people perceive the world, learn, think, feel emotions, interact socially, and cope with challenges. Psychology blends elements of both natural and social sciences, using empirical methods to investigate mental processes and behavior patterns. According to William James, psychology is the science of mental life, both of its phenomena and their conditions. The American Psychological Association (APA) defines psychology as the scientific study of the behavior of individuals and their mental processes. The main objectives of psychology are to describe behavior and mental processes, to explain why behaviors and mental processes occur, to predict how people and animals will behave under certain conditions, and to control or modify behavior to improve individual and societal well-being. Major branches of psychology include clinical psychology, which deals with the assessment, diagnosis, and treatment of mental illnesses and emotional disturbances. Cognitive psychology, which investigates internal mental processes like memory, problem solving, attention, and language. Developmental psychology, which studies the psychological growth of individuals across the lifespan. Social psychology, which explores how a person's thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are influenced by the actual or imagined presence of others. Biological psychology, which examines how brain functions, hormones, and the nervous system affect behavior and cognition. Educational psychology, which applies psychological theories and techniques to improve teaching and learning. Industrial organizational psychology, which focuses on behavior in the workplace, and health psychology, which studies the psychological influences on health, illness, and healthcare. Important concepts in psychology include sensation and perception, learning, memory, emotion, motivation, personality, and intelligence. Major theories in psychology include psychoanalytic theory, which emphasizes the influence of the unconscious mind. Behaviorist theory, which focuses on observable behaviors. Humanistic theory, which highlights individual potential. Cognitive theory, which describes how thinking develops, and the biopsychosocial model, which integrates biological, psychological, and social factors. Methods of psychological study include observation methods, case studies, ACBD, survey methods, experimental methods, and correlational studies. Applications of psychology can be found in clinical settings, educational fields, industrial organizational fields, health sectors, and forensics. Psychology plays a crucial role in understanding human behavior, improving mental health, and enhancing quality of life. Its interdisciplinary nature and wide applications make it valuable not only in academic and clinical settings, but also in everyday life. As science advances, psychology continues to evolve with more refined theories and tools to better serve humanity. In homeopathy, psychology refers to the study of the mental and emotional sphere of a patient, which forms a vital part of the individual's totality of symptoms. It helps the physician understand the inner disposition, temperament, emotional responses, and mental state of the patient, which are crucial in selecting the individualized remedy. Psychology in the homeopathic context is the study of the mind and emotions as expressions of the vital force, which reflect the patient's inner state and contribute to the selection of a constitutional remedy. According to Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, the founder of homeopathy, the totality of symptoms includes not only physical symptoms, but also mental and emotional characteristics. In aphorism 213 of the Organon of Medicine, Hahnemann states, "In all cases of disease, we are to consider the state of the patient's disposition and mind as one of the most important symptoms." Therefore, psychological symptoms are often considered keynote or constitutional indicators in remedy selection. Key points in homeopathic psychology include temperament and constitution, modalities of mind, emotional state, behavioral patterns, and mental generals. Some example remedies with psychological indications include Ignatia for grief and Natrum muriaticum for suppressed emotions.